you going, everyone? Steve here. Well, beautiful day here today. It was really windy yesterday, and I thought I'd come out to one of the spots near Kingaroy here. A little bit of a hill here, so it's going to suit what I want to do. But what I wanted to go through is some of my recovery gear that I've been collecting. I did a video a few weeks ago about the weighty of recovery gear. So what I wanted to do, I picked up this on the weekend. Now this is a recovery kit from Drifter, and it's got everything you need in it. Comes in a good carry bag with a clear top. So just want to go through some of the things they have in them. So let's have a look what we got in here. So what you get with it, got a bridle here. It's a 14-ton bridle. So you get the sleeve here to go through the middle. So once you connect this up, you put your two soft shackles over here, put your bridle on. So you get a 20-ton shackle. Now these are all handmade by Drifter in Gloucester. They have been rated, they've been all tested. So there's the bit of a picture on how you would use the shackles or what you might use them for on there. It gives you a sleeve, 12mm rope rated for 20 tonnes. So there's a 20-ton one there in a red and a 20-ton one in a green, and also a 14-ton one. So 3 shackles. Also your bridle there. You got a winch extension rope, so that will come in handy. There's another sleeve there for that. And also you've got a snatch rope. So just have a look at this. So I've only just picked this up. So that's a 22 by 9mm, 11.2 tonne. So this is one of the new Drifter Stockton ones that they're getting made. So really good quality. Like the ends here where you hook it up, they're all sealed in some sort of sealant. Feels really like a little bit of weight in that, so should have some good kinetic energy in it. I haven't got another vehicle here today to test this, but I will test that. Handy to have in your recovery gear though. So and in the bottom of your bag here you've got like a little felt liner, and also you got a winch ring, the Drifter winch ring. So that's a 10 to 14mm, 2 times mechanical advantage, so it's lessening the load, and that's a 12-ton winch ring, so you also get that in there. So that's a good value kit. If you get on their website and have a look, you'll get prices and everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hook up my winch, because I picked up this Factor 55 Ultra hook the other day. Showed it on the last video, so just going to give you a look at that and just do a bit of a simple winch, and have a look at how it all works. So I've set up my winch line. I've got it running up to this tree up here. Now I've got my bag over there, the dampener to hold it down. It's only a simple recovery. I've got my Ultra hook set up. I've got a 14-ton shackle here. I've got a tree trunk protector there. I'm pretty sure that's a 10,000 kilo tree trunk protector. I've got it down as low as possible. So it's on a fair bit of a hill here. So we'll just go down and start her up. Now I've just forgot one thing, most important thing. The winch control. So I'll just get out of this other bag I've got here. So I'll try and keep everything in as simple as possible. I've got the winch control in as well. Now I've just taken up the slack on the line. Just make sure everything's properly done. So this is on. Always safety. That's all good. That's good, that's holding. There's no kinks in the rope. Put the window down here. Okay, set this camera up on the dashboard here. Put her in drive. Now I'm just going to take up the strain, give it a little bit of accelerator. It's pulling it up, no worries at all. So just thought I'd show you too. Now that had a fair bit of strain, so the car's about 2.5 tonne. So the good thing about these soft shackles is that they are so easy to take off, unlike the old bolts and that in the bow shackles. So much easier to get apart, and they float too, so if you're in a creek situation or something like that and you did drop it, as long as the water wasn't running too fast, you might be able to go grab hold of it. So there you go, that's that. Going to try the snatch ring now. Going to set up that, so I'm going to put it, this will go through here. We'll run it back down to the car and see how we go. Okay, I've reset for a double line pull, and I'm using the factor 55 down here off the bridle. Now I've got the two 20-ton shackles on here, and I've got the sleeves on because you do want to make sure these edges can become quite sharp on these hooks here and can cut into these and shorten the lifespan of them. So just make sure you're aware of that. They're a great idea, these they make by Drifter. So I've just got the ultra hook set in here because you can either put it through here and you've got a little pin in here you can pop out. Let's get that out. Doesn't come out, don't ask me how, but you can't lose it, and that clips back in there and that stops that, locks it off. So move up the line here, got the bag on there, the dampener, and up here I've got the 14-ton winch ring. I've got another 20-ton green shackle. Now I've taken the sleeve off because these are quite slippery, so that should spin all right in there. Got the other one here, and then the tree trunk protector. So we'll just see how this all goes. I'll leave this camera here on top of the hill here. Okay, I've got everything packed away now, so just got everything back in the bags here. First impressions, like, fantastic stuff, so it'll be good just to know I've got it in the car when we're travelling, because Anne and myself, we travel alone a lot, so it'll be sort of great knowing we've got some good recovery gear that we can rely on. Comes in a great bags. Like I said, you can get them from Drifter in Gloucester in New South Wales, or Drifter in Brendale in Queensland. They're on Facebook or on the web, so just look up drifter.com.au. They've got all their products on there. You can buy them online, they'll ship them out to you. That's what I did, so fantastic service. It's an Aussie company too, so need to support as many of these Aussie made stuff as we can. So it's all good quality canvas bags, and no, just fantastic. Now there was one other thing I was going to tell you when I was pulling these shackles off. Oops. Like I said, they come apart so easy. I just thought I'd show you where these are the ones I had around the front of the on the bridle, down on my recovery point. So just having those sleeves on there, like I said about with those sharp, there's no markings or nothing in there, you know, pulling over 2.5 tonne up a hill. So I mean, yeah, if you're gonna go doing a snatch off there or something like that, you might find it might do a little bit more damage, but with these on there, you're going to save them, expand the lifespan, and make them so much better. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you want to know anything, give us a call, and talk to you later. Just another good thing too, when you re-spool and your windscreen back in again. I've had that out a fair way. Just make sure you rest the motor, like 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off sort of thing.